Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. First thing we're gonna do is make over this messy pantry. You guys, I have been really lax on this pantry just because we're busy, okay? We're just busy. So I'm gonna get it together in 2021. That's my goal for this year. I did try to organize this pantry a long time ago. Here I'm just showing you guys that there's a lot of empty space there. So our goal is to find some cabinets from Home Depot or Lowe's and put them up there so we can get some more usable space. That way we can store more things up there. I really want to just get this pantry organized so it just won't look so cluttered. I originally did organize this pantry. That's why those white baskets are in there. So I just decided in 2021, let's just do something different. Get some different type of baskets and we will see how that works. I'm not going to throw those white baskets away because I really do like those white baskets. They actually stack on top of each other. And if I can find those white baskets, I will link those baskets in my description box, along with the new baskets that I'm going to show you guys. Those can racks there, they came from Walmart. I will link those in the description box. I will link everything I can in the description box. Those containers I got from Home Goods. So you guys know how that is. You just, when it's there, you get them. But that's actually where I got those containers. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the shelves off. So we can start fresh. I got the medium-sized baskets. They have large, medium, and small, and I got the medium. I like these because they have the fabric inside, so you can use them with or without the fabric. I prefer the fabric, so I can just, if something wastes, I can just wash the fabric. So I bought those stickers, which you can write on them with chalk. I got those from Amazon. The original size I got, they were actually really big. There's the big size. So I just cut them in half and I put the half pieces on all the baskets. And it still looked good. Hopefully everyone is doing well, and I appreciate all the comments that you guys gave me on my last video, which was that romantic Valentine's video. And if you haven't seen it, I will link it in the card up top here, and you guys can go check that out. But I appreciate you guys for all the kind words. Here I was trying to figure out how I wanted to turn these baskets just to preserve more room, but I ended up turning them all the same way. I actually ended up moving them to the other side. I had my husband move all the baskets to the other side. I got all these bins from Home Goods, and they range between what, $2.99 and $10.99, somewhere in there. But I did notice that the first of the year they have loads of those containers, and then after that it kind of, you can tell that they were starting to run out. So I'm not sure if they still have these containers. I know you can get these from the Container Store, but I know they'll be a little bit more expensive. But if I'm not mistaken, I paid $5.99 a piece for those clear containers. And that glass container to the right there, up top, I got that from Ross. Those square containers I got from Home Goods also, but those are those XO, I believe that's the name of them. I'll try to find those and link those in the description box. Also, they are airtight. They have an airtight seal on them, so that's why I actually like those. So my goal is to find some more containers like that. On this shelf, I just wanted to get all my snacks, the snacks that Chloe takes to school. I just wanted to make sure they're all handy. That way she can kind of make her own lunch, because sometimes she can get a little picky. So that way she can pick her own stuff, and she can have a variety of things.
This might be overrated. It's so typical, you wanna give it one more try. Even though if your mind is telling you it's all a lie. Oh, I gotta wake up. This might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me.
Having a small pantry is not bad as long as you just figure out how to move things around where you can have a lot of usable space. So that's what I tried to do in our pantry. Just to make it look, look a little bit neater when you open that door. I keep bottles of water in the pantry because there are people that do not like to drink out of the fridge filter, so I just always keep some on hand. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to share this with you guys since I was going to do it anyway. Stay tuned because I am going to do a fridge makeover, and I think you guys will enjoy that also. That's pretty much it, guys. What I'm going to do now is just finish filling all the baskets, and then I will give you guys a final look here at the end. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.